everybody. So this is my video on how I pluck a bird and clean a bird. So this is the bird my daughter shot this morning on youth weekend. And so what I have is I have 9mm latex gloves on. If you can't use latex, get some just regular nitrile disposable gloves that aren't latex. I like the thicker ones. So what I have is the bird hanging. I've got a pot of boiling water, and then I've got a cooler. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the beard off first. So cut your beard off. Set that aside. And do not gut the bird first. If you gut the bird, this is going to be bad when you go to put it in the cooler. So what I do is I take the tail off. Like I said, you're not gutting it. Because what's going to happen is you're going to put this bird in the cooler with hot water. Tail. So now, got the legs. You can bend them back. It'll make it a little bit easier. And with the wings, I like to pull the wing feathers out, if you can get them out. So I'll pull all these out, and then you're going to take the bird, and I'll show you in a minute. So, alright, so got all the wing feathers off as much as I could. These are pretty hard to get off. So now, this cooler is a little small, but I use it for turkeys all the time. I'm going to put him in here, like so. Take hot water. We're all over them. You can push these down in, the better. Yeah, you don't want to go in. There it is. So now, give him a shake. Now we'll hang him up and start plucking. Now that he's wet, these feathers just rip right off. Sometimes you might have to go soak them again, but that's okay. Yeah, you might have to soak them again. But you guys kind of get the gist of it. And then these wing feathers fall right out. So there you go. There you can see the birds plucked. You're going to see a little bit of feathers on there at the bottom, but the neck's going to get cut off. And there are some pin feathers right there, and then up around the end by its foot. Those are going to get torch. I'm going to use a torch on that and take those off. But other than that, that's how you pluck them, with a cooler and some hot water. So any torch, mat gas, or propane will work.